All right, for today's video, the objective is to clear up a lot of the weeds and the clover and all the other random plants in here that we don't really want, because we are going to seed this with a packet of over 1,200 different wildflower seeds. Or should I just say, there's at least 20 different types of seeds in here, but there's 1,200 seeds in total. We have Maximilian sunflower seeds, marigolds, and a lot of other California seeds that are in this packet. And so once we actually take out a lot of the weeds and the clover and stuff, being careful that we don't damage the dahlias or the tulips, we'll go ahead and we'll plant these suckers in, and hopefully we can see if we can make some more improvements to the irrigation line so that it actually waters this entire area. But let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, when we come in here, we will have to be careful. There is a dahlia plant, some tubers right here, so I will have to move our landscaping circle over onto that section so that stays protected, so at least I know something good is over there. But while we're pulling these weeds, again, it doesn't have to go into our green waste bin. We can actually just collect it and then take it over to the compost and include it over there. The only thing you have to be careful of is making sure not to include seeds or flowers from the weeds, so that your compost doesn't spread those all over to your garden. All right, so here is all the clover, the grass, all the weeds that we don't really want over there. Go ahead and throw that in the compost. I know some people might say, man, you're over here really pulling all these weeds, but I actually enjoy it. It's kind of therapeutic. But if you come over here, you can see that we still have some of the base or the roots still in there. So what we're gonna do is use our little till tool, and then we'll just go through, till some of this up, mess the soil up and get it level. If you look over here, this area has a divot. So we're gonna just try to smooth all this stuff out, and then once we do that, then we'll go ahead and plant our seeds, or even lay down some potting mix, like a light layer, not too much because it will get expensive, just a little shallow 1 to 2 inch potting mix layer, and then we'll go ahead and throw the seeds down. All right, we've removed most of the weeds and the grass, and then we started putting down a very light layer of potting mix. You can tell it looks really good. Like I said, you want to keep it a very light mix. You don't need to go crazy. Now it's time for the fun part. We'll come over to this side and just start dispersing some of these seeds. And once we have these seeds all down, then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and cover this with another layer of potting mix, and then we're all good. All right, and then so we went ahead, we spread the seeds, put another layer of the potting mix. Now we just need to water this stuff in. It did just rain, so I don't need to go too crazy, but I want to make sure that all these seeds get soaked. And then once we do this a few times, then we'll be all good, and then I will give you guys an update once everything starts to grow. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the next one.